Let's take a closer look at how to access private medical insurance. Our goal is to assist you with the process to ensure you can access the right healthcare for you, as where you get treated is your choice, a big one. Step 1. Take a moment to review your insurance policy. It's important to understand what's included, such as the treatments, services, hospitals, and consultants that are covered. Step 2. Schedule a visit with your GP, who will be able to recommend the most clinically appropriate next step. A GP referral is required to access most insurance policies, so make sure you mention that you intend to use your private medical insurance. Step 3. Choose your specialist and book. You can easily browse our list of specialists using the HCA Consultant Finder. You can either book online or call our contact centre to assist you with finding the right consultant. Step 4. Contact your insurance provider. Once you've got your GP referral and booking, simply give your insurer a call. Let them know the details of your condition, the name of your preferred consultant, and the hospital you have booked for. Keep hold of the authorization code they share with you and input this into the online registration you will receive from HCA for your appointment. Finally, step 5. Book your appointment online. Just follow these simple steps to complete your booking. Select the type of appointment. Enter a preferred GP. Enter your location. Select a time slot. Enter your details. And enter your payment details. And that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out.